Okay, good day. This is the module 4, lesson 5. No. So this is the last lesson of this module, the measures of skewness. And mao ni siya ang parang for me is pinakadali sabton. Mubo ra man pud siya. So in this lesson you must differentiate between the symmetrical and a skewed distribution, and you must calculate the skewness of the data given. So in the last lesson class, you have learned the various techniques of describing a data. So in this lesson, we will supplement the limitations given by measures of central tendency, point of measure, and measures of variability. So this will help you to find another venue ways on how to describe data of given distribution. So the RIA class is this, kung natay measures of the central tendency, nga naga-locate sa center, measures of variability nga na-describe sa ilahang pagka-spread sa data. Ang kaning measures of skewness sa data class is naga-describe kung gaano ba ka, kasi tawagan na ha, kanang asa ba padulong ang mga values. So, basta kuha na nato ni ron. So, kani siya class, measures of skewness, diri na to ma-identify if you as a student have performed, kanang kamo tanan students ba sa isa ka classroom, if you have performed best, average lang ba, or poor. So, sa kani nga lesson natay activity, you'll figure out the performance of the students based on the performance graph shown below. So, sa graph A, so may pasabutan ni ma'am. So, kani siya nga graph is masabtan ninyo after the discussion. So, ang isa is sa left side, ang iyahang parang peak or highest point. Ang graph B is parang pantay lang. And ang graph C is nasa right side ang iyahang peak or ang iyahang highest point. So, in order, you can answer these questions after nga discuss ko ani. So, unsa maning measures of skewness? So, skewness is a statistical measure that gives regarding the symmetry of the distribution of a set with respect to its mean. So, a distribution or set of data is considered symmetrical if it looks the same to the left and right. So, kung kay numdumon sa ning symmetrical, di ba? Kung tungaon nato siya, parehasong sa normal distribution, pag tungaon, ang left ug ang right side is pantay. So, napoy times class nga ang graph is muhiwi siya. Dili, pag tungaon nato ang bell is dili pantay ang left ug right. So, mao na siya ang ginasukod sa measures of skewness. So this measure is known to be the shape of the distribution. The distribution is said to be normal if the computed value of the skewness is equal to 0. Mag-solve man taon niya. Kung 0 ang ato ang answer, meaning ang atong distribution is normally skewed or normal ang distribution. And also if the mean, median, and mode are equal with each other. So, matawag na to nga normal ang distribution if equal ang mean, median, and mode. The shape of the distribution looks like a perfect bell or Mexican sombrero. So, nakita naman ani niya from the past nga video ang naong sa normal distribution. So, a normal distribution has a skewness value equal to 0. So, in this lesson, we use SK to denote or to represent skewness. So, ang symbol sa skewness is SK. Dili sago ni ang kabataan. So, there are 3 types of skewness. Natay positively skewed. First is the positively skewed distribution. So, it is a distribution where the long tail tapers more to the right. So, meaning, ang ikog-ikog niya class ba sa kuntay kanang katong murag bell nga nahiwi. Ang iyang ikog-ikog is padulong sa right. So, it means that the concentration of values is below the mean. So, kaninyong tandaan ha, basta positively skewed, the values or the concentration of values is below the mean. Meaning, the value of the skewness is greater than 0 or it is positive. So, kung mag-solve-solve ta, kunya ang ato ang ma-solve is positive number, therefore, that distribution is positively skewed. So, ingani ang naong sa positively skewed. Diba? Bell siya, pero hiwi. Naiikog padulong dito sa tuo. So, ang mean ani class, naadjud ni siya sa tunga. Mao man jud ning average. Ay, ang median mo ning nasa tunga. Ang average class is naa diri o ang mean. And then, ang mode mo ni siya ang pinakadaghan, di ba? So, mo ni siya ang nasa pinakataas nga point. So, now, observe the graph. Basta right skew or positively skewed class, mas daghan ang mode kaysa sa mean. Mas taas ang mode kaysa sa mean. Nga na ha? Meaning, mas daghan nga students nga nakakuha og score or average or score lagi nga below sa mean. Meaning, mas kutay ang average nga score is sa tanang klase is 35. Unya, ingan ang mode, mo ni siya ang mga students or meaning, ang ay natay mga scores. For example, katong dagan man tag mga scores no, katong group A, group B, mga scores man to. Di ba natoy mean nga for example katong 72. Now, ang mode class is ang pasabutan na daghang students ba nga nakakuha og score nga mas baba pa sa mean. Meaning, unsay pasabutan na ang mga students wala nagperform og tarong or dili good ang ilahang performance. So, ingana, basta positively skewed class. So, therefore, for positively skewed distribution, only few values are above the mean. So, katulang yung mga bright kaayo. Ingana ang pasabot. So, it is also observed that in positively skewed distribution, the mean and the median are both at the right of the mode. So, next, ang negatively skewed distribution. So, kabaliktaran yun sa positively skewed. So, it is a distribution where the long tail tapers more to the left, which means concentration of values is above the mean. So, sa negatively skewed distribution, ang makuha yun na itong answer ani is a negative number. Pero, good ning negatively skewed class mean. Kaya nga naman, tanawan ninyo ang mean, ang position sa mode. So, di ba? Ang mean, mauna siya sa tunga. Ang mode na asayahang right. Meaning, daghang students nag-perform og tarong or good ang ilahang performance. Kaya nga naman, nalampas man sila sa average. So, nga na sa left skew. So, therefore, for negatively skewed distribution, only few values are below the mean. So, it is also observed that in negatively skewed distribution, the mean and the median are both on the left of the mode. Tandaan ninyo ha, kung asa ang ikog, kung pa-right ang ikog, meaning positively skewed. Kung pa-left ang ikog, meaning negatively skewed. Pag positively skewed, wala nag-perform og tarong ang students. Pag negatively skewed, best ang performance sa students. Tingnan na. So, for instance, a teacher expects that out of his statistic test, most of his students are above average. So, kung most of the students are above average, meaning above the mean, meaning that kung mag-drawing ta na o graph, negatively skewed yun na siya. So, however, laziness and inattentiveness are observed from his students that results to poor performance. So, kung performance, therefore, majority sa yung students got below the average. So, kung ingana, wala nag-perform magtarong ang students, so, positively skewed ang ato ang graph. So, ang last nga type is ang kaning normal distribution. So, the illustration at the right shows a normal distribution where the mean, median, and mode are equal with each other and the value of skewness is equal to 0. So, mo ni ang graph sa normal distribution. So, In measuring the skewness or in terms of the skewness class, sa normal distribution, ang mean, median, ug mode, pantay sila tanan sa tunga. And kung isolve nato, kung makakuha ta og zero nga skewness, meaning normal ang distribution. So, dili sila best, dili sila poor, average lang ang ilahang performance. Now, let's go to the formula for solving the skewness. So again, SK is for skewness. So SK is equal to 3 multiplied by the, again, kaning X bar, this is the mean. Morning mean, minusan og median, and then, after ana, i-divide sa standard deviation. So, yan ang pagkuha sa skewness sa. So, kung wala ka baluon sa on pagkuha sa mean, i-review tong ako ang mga video kung saan pagkuha sa mean, sa median, o sa standard deviation. Gi-explain na ko na siya. For example, so using the mean, median, and standard deviation, so hayahay ta diriya kay given na naatay mean nga 93, natay median nga 90, and then natay standard deviation nga 3.28. So ato ang i-substitute lang siya sa formula. So kung ang mean is 93, so ilisan lang nato na siya 93. Na ang median is 90, so butangan ilisan na po natong 90 ang MD dira. And ang standard deviation is 3.28. Now, atoa sang unahon og minus. Kaya naman sa sulod sa parenthesis. So, 93 minus 90 is 3. So, therefore, mahimo siyang 3 times 3 divided by 3.28. And 3 times 3 is 9. I-divide siya sa 3.28. So, therefore, the answer is 2.74. So, nakuha natin is positive 2.74. Therefore, kung kani ang ning gawas class, unsa man ato ang values or ang distribution, positively skewed or negatively skewed. So, since positive 2.74 man siya, therefore, it is positively skewed. So, meaning, sa test, sa 100 item mathematics test, sa 15 ka students, meaning, daghan sa ilaha, nakakuha og below average. Kay positively skewed man. So, that is all. So, if you want to try or mag-exercise, you can solve this. And i-interpret po ninyo kung mauna siya ang nigawas, therefore, unsa ang distribution, positively skewed ba, negatively skewed, and then kung positively skewed, unsa implication, nag-perform ba og best, nag-perform ba og poor, nag-perform ba og average lang. So, that is all for this video. And again, this is the module 4, lesson 5, the last lesson of this module.